Welcome to this tutorial on passive income. Let's start with the basics. Passive income is money you earn from sources other than your main business activity or job. It's still money that needs to be worked for, but you are not the one doing that work, or perhaps you're doing it, but without compromising your main business activity. That is, you are not directly responsible for the activity that generates that passive money, or it is something that is easy for you to implement and can be delegated on others. Passive income has different shapes and forms: monthly allowances, investment profits, cash flowing from variations of your main product or service, payments you receive for renting a property or lease, or even some bucks you found while doing your morning jogging can be considered part of this category. Although, for the latter, we advise doing your best to search for the owner and return the money instead. Any business journey can have ups and downs, so having passive income can provide important relief, especially in those moments when things are not going great and extra money is needed to keep your business afloat. Also, if these sources of passive income are consistent over time, you will be able to build wealth, provide yourself with financial security, and lower the risk of depending exclusively on your primary source of income, also known as your business or job. The more sources of passive income you have, the better. The more diversified they are, the safer you will be if something stumbles along the way. And you'll have more control during uncertain times and will be able to finance the changes needed on your business in order to adapt and cope with the challenges ahead. Now, is it possible to generate passive income from services or products you already offer? The answer is yes. It takes time, but if you think of something you can prepare or put together that doesn't take too much time and energy away from your main business idea, go for it. It could be something you put for recurring sale and that you don't have to think that much about, or something that you know how to do easily, or that already involves something that you already do. For example, if your main business activity is creating customized dolls for clients, then you could create an alternate line of dolls that you can make available to the public, perhaps at a lower price, and that can be easily manufactured as a source of passive income. An alternative other than the exclusive dolls offered by your brand will make cash flow from another direction. The thing here is to collect eggs from different hens. It will reduce the risk of skipping breakfast one day, if you know what I mean. The idea is to come up with a business development plan that balances your active source of income with a few other passive ones, so that cash flows from different directions. In that way, your maneuvering capabilities will increase and lessen the impact of financial unpredictable setbacks. Now, let's have a quick pop quiz. Please select whether the statement is either true or false. First question. Passive income is generated from your main business activity. The answer is false. Passive income can be related to your main business product or service, but it is not. Usually, it is something that is not time-consuming and generates money without compromising the quality of your active income source, and that is also easy to implement. Second question. When developing your business plan, diversifying your income sources and finding a healthy balance between passive and active income will guarantee more flexibility and financial relief. The answer is true. Since no source of income is 100% reliable and is dependent on external stimuli you don't control, the best is to collect eggs from different hens, diversify, and conquer. And third, if you realize you are making more money from a passive income source than you do from your main business activity, then the best thing is to leave the latter and focus solely on whatever is filling your pockets. The answer is false. If you've noticed, this last statement is a redundancy of the previous one. So, good that the passive cash is flowing, but don't put all your hopes into it. Keep doing your active work and use some of the passive income to potentiate and improve the profitability of your main source of income. Once again, diversify and conquer. Well, that's pretty much it. Thanks for your time, and as always, we wish you all the best in your business venture. More tutorials to help you succeed are available at our Addy and Mark Tutorials Library. Check them out. All the best in your journey to success.